Hi friends, today we are going to solve equilibrium index problem. So in the given problem statement, it is given that our array would be given. We have to find the equilibrium index on which all the elements to the left side of that array and all the elements to the right side of that array when are added would be equal. So let's start writing this problem code. So we would like to solve this problem using Python. What is this? Okay. As you could see, given an array of integer, find the equilibrium index of an array. In the case of an array, A, its equilibrium index I is such that A of 0 plus A of I to A of I minus 1 is equal to I plus 1 to A of n minus 1. So to do that, first let us take the input. So our input would be list x equal to input. For I in range 0 to our length of the input which would be given, so it would be looping through from 0 to length of that. So in this case it would be list x. So if you know, there is a interesting Python function called slicing and dicing. So we'd be writing if command if sum of all the values of the list x from 0th index till ith index or till one step earlier to the ith index. If you know the slicing and dicing, you would know what does I would stand for. So is equal to sum of list x I plus 1 till the end. So in this case, our value of I is going to be the equilibrium index. So we would be just printing the value of I. This is not a function, so else we would have returned that value. In this case, we're just writing the normal code, and you will write an exit command so that it does not keep on iterating again when the middle value or the equilibrium index has been found. And in case you're not able to find anything, we would be printing -1. This is a very, very simple problem. Let's try to run the code. Okay, maybe n would work. Let's check this one. I think there is something wrong in the input. So list map let's try to run it again just in case. This is quite peculiar because last time I tried doing it, I think this entire platform is not very stable, because sometimes for some values it is working and for the other times it does not work, which is pretty strange. But anyway, as you could see, all the test cases have passed and is working as expected. So thanks for watching and stay tuned.